Okay, I have a function here and I want to find its derivative, and I'm going to use my product rule. And the product rule says this: if y, u, and v are all functions of x and y is equal to u times v, then the derivative of y with respect to x is going to be the derivative of u times v plus the derivative of v times u. Or if you want to use this notation, dy dx is going to be du dx times v plus dv dx times u. But the idea is you have a product of two functions of x, you differentiate one, multiply it times the other, and then differentiate the other one and multiply it times the first one. It doesn't matter in which order you do this. So I'm going to go back to this function right here. K of x is equal to 3h of x plus x squared g of x. Well, this is a product right here, but that first function is just a constant, so I can take it out in front. So k prime of x, when I differentiate this, is going to be just 3 times the derivative of h, and I don't know what h is, so I'm just going to write it as the derivative, h prime of x, plus, now I have to differentiate x squared times g of x, two functions of x. I'm going to use my rule right here, and so I'm going to differentiate the first, which is 2x, multiply it times the second, which is just g of x. Then I'm going to add to that the derivative of g of x, which is g prime of x, times the first function, x squared. So let's see if I can write this out a little better. How about if I write 3h prime of x plus 2x g of x plus, I'll just put my x squared out in front, times g prime of x. So that's all the farther I can go with that derivative. I don't have any similar terms to add, and I've used over here my product rule, which looks like this.